Unit 85. Some and any. A. In general, we use some, also somebody, someone, something in positive sentences, and any, also anybody. In negative sentences, some. We bought some flowers. He's busy, he is got some work to do. There's somebody at the door. I want something to eat. Any. We didn't buy any flowers. He's lazy. He never does any work. There isn't anybody at the door. I don't want anything to eat. We use any in the following sentences because the meaning is negative. She went out without any money. She didn't take any money with her. He refused to eat anything. He didn't eat anything. It's a very easy exam. Hardly anybody fails. Almost nobody fails. B. We use both some and any in questions. We use somebody, something to talk about a person, or thing that we know exists, or we think exists. Are you waiting for somebody? I think you are waiting for somebody. We use some in questions when we offer or ask for things. Would you like something to eat? There's something to eat. Can I have some sugar, please? There's probably some sugar I can have. But in most questions, we use any. We do not know if the thing or person exists. Do you have any luggage? No, I don't. I can't find my bag. Has anybody seen it? C. We often use any after if. If anyone has any questions, I'll be pleased to answer them. Let me know if you need anything. The following sentences have the idea of if. I'm sorry for any trouble I have caused. If I have caused any trouble. Anyone who wants to do the scam should tell me by Friday if there is anyone. D. We also use any with the meaning it doesn't matter which. You can take any bus. They all go to the center. It doesn't matter which bus do you take. Sing a song. Which song shall I sing? Any song, I don't mind. It doesn't matter which song. Come and see me anytime you want. We use anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere in the same way. We forgot to lock the door. Anybody could have come in. D. We also use any with the meaning it doesn't matter which. You can take any bus. They all go to the center. It doesn't matter which bus you take. Sing a song. Which song shall I sing? Any song, I don't mind. It doesn't matter which song. Come and see me anytime you want. We use anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere in the same way. We forgot to lock the door. Anybody could have come in. Let's get out somewhere. Where shall we go? Anywhere. I just want to go out. Compare something and anything. I'm hungry. I want something to eat. What would you like? I don't mind anything. It doesn't matter what. E. Somebody, someone, anybody, anyone are singular words. Someone is here to see you. But we use getting care of these words. Someone has forgotten their umbrella, his or her umbrella. If anybody wants to leave early, they can, or he or she can. Unit 85. Exercises. 85.1. Putting some or any. We didn't buy any flowers. Tonight I'm going out with friends of mine. Have you seen good movies recently? No, I haven't been to the cinema for ages. I didn't have money, so I had to borrow. Can I have milk in my coffee, please? We wanted to buy grapes, but they didn't have in the shop. He did everything himself without help. You can use this card to withdraw money at cash machine. I like information about places of interest in the town. With a special tourist train ticket, you can travel on train you like. Those apples look nice. Shall we buy? 85.2. Complete the sentence with some or anybody thing there. I was too surprised to say anything. Gary said, so can you go and see who it is? Just mind if I open the window. I wasn't feeling hungry, so I didn't eat. You must be hungry. Why don't I get you to eat? Quick, let's go. Gary's coming and I don't want to see us. Sarah was upset about and refused to talk to. This machine is very easy to use, can learn to use it very quickly. There was hardly on the beach, it was almost deserted. Do you live near Joe? No, he lives in another part of the town. Where shall we go on holiday? Let's go, warm and sunny. They stay at home all the time, they never seem to go. I'm going to a meeting now. If they may tell them I'll be back at 11:30. Why are you looking under the bed? Have you lost? This is no parking area. Who parks here will have to pay a fine. Jonathan stood up and left the room without saying, can I ask you, sure, what do you want to ask? Sue is very secretive, she never tells. 85.3. Complete sentences use any noun or anybody, anything, anywhere. Which bus do I have to catch? Any bus. They'll go to the center. Which day shall I come? I don't mind. What do you want to eat? I don't mind. Whatever you have. Where shall I sit? It is up to you. You can sit you like. What sort of job are you looking for? It doesn't matter. What time shall I call you tomorrow? Leave me a message if I don't answer and I'll get back to you. Who shall I invite to the party? I don't mind tonight. Which newspaper shall I buy? See what they have in the shop.